बड़े बड़े
येलो एलईडी टर्न्स
जाओनी भर को अरे मुझे जीवन आज गोटे ही गाड़ी जी हाईटेक जय जगन्नाथ सांग मैंने गुड मॉर्निंग आशा हो बहुत भल थे मोर आउटे नुआ फ्रेश ब्लॉग आपको स्वागत जनाऊँ प्रथम तो कल रात पहुँच राति 9:30 जाता तो गाड़ी स्कूल नहीं नी घटी नहीं पड़ी प्रथम चलन जा बाहर सकाल गाड़ी स्टार्ट मार समय रखी आज तो हूँ स्कूल विज्ञान बेला देखिए केमती कौन हो प्रथम जा स्कूल टी पिला केमती कौन कर देखा स्टार्ट मार रखी दीजिए कल टोटाल रनिंग 277 किलोमीटर आम सीएनजी खाई 1000 ना 1100 पाखा खाई देखिए हिसाब कर लास्ट कि तुम माइलेज है कौन है चल जा बर्तमान बाहर पाइबे सांग मैंने बर्तमान आस पहुँचलु आम स्कूल तो कल तू आसलु लेट्रे तो स्कूल आसटे लेट है देख बर्तमान सब गाड़ी गुड़ा इतने रखा जाए एमती किसी अच्छी आए दी जन ये गाइड दायित्व में बस देखो ये तुम दिखाई कम तुम बैठ ये स्कूल विज्ञान वाला देख पिलाटा ए उठिक आऊँ जना पड़े तो जना पड़े शीत हो अच्छा तो स्कूल आसबनी अच्छा अच्छा तुम स्कूल पढ़ेला फेरवेल भी विदा करदे स्कूल पूरा पाखे देखो सांग मैंने बर्तमान पलि पिला पा नापे पा केक केक नेवा पिला केक और पानी जीव चल जा केक मुझे पपन आई पपन भर बाहर अच्छे देखा नहीं जावा सांग मैंने पानी पानी सब नहीं पड़े चलती आम प्रोग्राम फैंसी ड्रेस कंपिटिशन आ पछ गेट बेट दे दीजिए गेट बेट दे दीजिए आ बाहर लोग देखिए ना गेट दे दीजिए बाहर लोग देखिए ना अच्छा पिला पूरा कम माँ भी बही खाली तो पूजा होते अधा पिला ना जान नहीं हाउस अरे हाउस को भूमिकंप कर दे हाउस की भूमिकंप कर दूसरी अरे वाइल्ड एनिमल अरे तुम बड़े बड़े से करते हैं ना सोलर सिस्टम कर बड़े बड़े इन्वर्टर क्या है अरे ट्रांसपोर्ट केनी वो देगा वर्षा पानी से मिसाइज करा जाए टांकी द्वारा फिल्टर है क्या सो एयर कलेक्शन
बटन बटन है खाली तार रंग है लाइट के जलुन
लाइट जलुची वोल्टेज नहीं बिग स्टोन स्टोन এটা কম করছো হ্যাঁ
और एक लोटे देखा
अच्छा अच्छा बड़े सिस्टम हाँ ओरिजिनल कामाक्षा रुद्रांशु এই এটা কম করছো
सोलर पैनल सोलर एनर्जी बड़ा विंड एनर्जी
अच्छा
विंड एनर्जी
तारा इन्वर्टर से बस
बिजी लाइट जो
এটা কম করছো अच्छा अब गेस्ट అవుతుంది కొత్తగా ఏ సంపూర్ణ
अरे ओरिजिनल फुल ना डुप्लीकेट
होटल तो पिला उड़ा लाइन ही जैसे सब देखे মানে পিলা বসিলে পিলা ফাঁকা হলে আমি দেখিবা এটা কম করছো
এই বাপু যখন পছরা আইছো কোন করছো
এটা কম করছো
জোরে বলনু
हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक
हिंदी में बोला
अच्छा बड़ा है
भाई देखियो मोर देखो कचरा जिनसी रु इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पेता है
कौन है এটা अच्छा अच्छा और এটা कपड़ बंद कर जाना पड़े ना अच्छा আর তোমরা কর
एयर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
चल
बंद कर
আর তোমরা
আমরা হাইড্রোপনিক্স
अच्छा
এটা তার সিস্টেম है
এইটি মোটর অন করলে এটি পানি পুরো করে থেকে পুরো পানি এটা দেয় পানি বেশি খাবারটি টু ক্লিয়ার वाटर लेवल इंडिकेटर
देखा
Good morning, sir. My name is Lakshmi Murali. I am presenting the model of water level indicator. In many homes and industries, from the tank, because we cannot see the level of water inside the tank, these leads to massive wastage of both water and water. My project provides simple and low-cost solution to this problem. These projects the principle of electrical conductivity. I have placed a common wire at the bottom of the tank, which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. As the water rises up, it touches different wires which are different heights. When water touches a probe, it completes the circuit, sending small current to the base of the transistor. The transistor acts like a switch turning on an LED or a buzzer to show us the level. Let's see it in action. As the water rises up and touches the first wire, the green LED glows. As it rises further, the blue LED glows. And then the yellow LED turns on.
To show that the chemical effect of electric current can form bubbles of gases on the electrodes, and it is used to show the conductivity of the electrolytes. So I have taken metal as electrodes. Now what are electrodes? In conductors, if electricity enters, electrodes are of two types: negative. The positive electron is known as anode, and the negative electron photon as cathode. Then I have taken salt solution, common salt solution as electrolyte, and electrolytes are the liquids which allow electricity to pass through them. There are two types of electrolytes, weak and strong. Strong electrolytes are the electrolytes which conduct electricity very well, and weak electrolytes are the electrolytes which do not conduct electricity, which conduct electricity as well. So when we will close the circuit, we can see the formation of bubbles in this solution. The NaCl splits up
Scattering light.
My name is Priyanshi. I am from class 7. It is a rain detector. It's a working model. The material contained, it is a sensor, a transistor, a buzzer, a microsolver, a switch, and a 9-volt battery. When it's rained heavily, the sensor sense that it's raining, and the microsolver automatically closes, and the buzzer starts buzzing to help us and detect us that it's raining outside. As sometimes we don't know it's raining outside, and it's rained heavily outside, the important thing like cloth, grain and tools are kept out. Then they get wet and get wasted. So this project will help us in protecting our cloth, grains and tools. Thank you.
This is about organic farming. We should do organic compounds using fertilizers, because fertilizer not add much to the soil and it spoils the soil. And we should use organic compounds for if we use organic compound, this gives nutrient both the soil and crop. And if we use organic compound technology,
केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर यूज करेंगे तो ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन होता है तो रह जाएगा
sir, there is harmful chemicals added in the fertilizers which spoil the soil, and due to this it lead to the deficiency of nitrogen in the soil.
that is also come into the food grains which may cause this like that and other things.
And due to this also there is loss of nutrients in the soil.
Of class 9. Today is our science exhibition and I take a part in our science exhibition. Today is my project capillary principle. The aim of this project is to demonstrate how the principle of cohesion, adhesion and capillary action can be used to create a sustainable self-regulating irrigation system for agriculture. The scientific theory of this project is based on the phenomenon of capillary action. This occurs because water has two special properties: cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion, water molecules like to stick to each other. In addition, water molecules like to stick to other surfaces like the fibers in the cotton row. In this system, the cotton leaves act as a bridge. As the plant roots absorb moisture from the soil becomes dry. This dryness creates a pool. Because of capillary action, water travels up the wick from the reservoir to fill the dry spaces in the soil. This ensures that the plant receives a constant controlled supply of water without human intervention. Conclusion and agriculture impact. The wick system is a passive hydroponic method. Its importance in modern agriculture includes water conservation, water waste automation, farmer can leave crops unattended for longer periods. Urban farming, it allows people to grow food in small apartments without needing large irrigation setups. And advantages of this is there is no water waste in this system.
Good morning everyone. My name is Yogesh Panda of class 9 from St. Xavier International School. Today our school organized our science exhibition and today I take a part in this and my project name is Full State Power Generation. In this project we are generating power as electrical power and non-conventional method by simply working non-conventional method means energy which is produced by biomass and wind. And here we take bigger rechargeable battery, PCB board, NDR bulb, wires, transistor, connectors. This is the rechargeable battery, bulb, wires, and these are the circuits. When a force is applied to the circuit, it is converted to electrical energy, which is drive the stereo and voltage which is stored in the lead AC battery. And when जब यहाँ पे फोर्स ऐड होता है तो ये कन्वर्ट करता है इसको इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी और ये एक बैटरी में स्टोर करते हैं लीड एसी बैटरी. दिस इज कनेक्टेड इन्वर्टर व्हिच कन्वर्ट डीसी टू एसी. डीसी मींस 12 वोल्ट, डीसी 230 वोल्ट एसी. दिस 230 एसी voltage is used to activate load. This and this was the water. This was the circuit and this was the day. So the LDR is not detected. But when a light is glow the bulb. And the advantage of this project is no fuel are added and it is a self-generating project, no extra power also used. Thank you.
The panel traps the sunlight in the panel and electricity is produced here. Then moving forward, it is a electrical speed breaker. When the vehicle will pass from the speed breaker, the electricity will be produced. Then coming forward to the wind turbine, when the vehicle will pass from here, the wind turbine will rotate itself and electricity is produced. Now, here is a garbage in its center. The garbage of the city is collected in this tube and when it will burn, garbage will be burned. Here electricity is produced. And next coming forward, this is a pollution unit center of the city. The factory that produces the pollution here. Chimney is on. The pollution from the factory goes to the carbon filter. The carbon filter absorbs the carbon from the pollution and clean air. This is a forward project. The main concept is renewable energy conservation, environmental protection, and smart infrastructure. This project aims to keep the city clean and produce its own electricity so that our future generation can use it.
Then rain happens. When the rain happens, the water is connected to the concrete roof, and by the help of water pipe, the water goes to the storage tank. And from storage tank, we use water for daily use. There is one cargo shipment project. But he is using the water of collected water in the present storage tank. And there are so many pipes joined to the agricultural field by the help of storage water collected from the rain. The water goes everywhere. Today I am here to show the model of rainwater harvesting. When the rain happens, the rainwater falls on the roof of the house. Then it goes through the pipe for filtration. After filtration, it will be stored in a same tank. When the same tank will overflow and the water will go to the underground and become groundwater. When we dig a well, the groundwater we can use for many purposes like cleaning and washing, gardening and drinking water. After proper purification. Thank you.
कौन कल खाली कौन कही
कौन करछ जल्दी देखा कौन कर तमें
स्मार्ट सिटी
हमारा टर्न आ रहा है, तुम खड़े हो
also the skill development. Coding is a theory project which can be made more and more game, websites, video games, ads, and animation. These games can be also sold in markets and can earn more money. These games will provide children more knowledge about technology and IT. The assignment is about this scratch project. If some small error can make the project Thank
you. स्कूल पूरा खाली खाली लगे जनवरी 26 एतु स्कूल खाली दौल थो
जनवरी 26 बहुत
मंडे दिन रेडी राम
स्कूल को देखियो किन स्कूल एंट्री दौनांती
आ घर यूनिफॉर्म पिन गइछु ना से
कोन होची फैंसी ड्रेस ना
आ डेडा को
ए हीरो
छोटे पिला को
पिंचुडी
ना सीधा ना
तो स्टाइल ता से
स्टाइल तो एटा सब भीतर को या कथा
देखो तो ये पिलाटा कोन हो देखो कहू जी कोन जीवी नहीं गेट रे जा भीतर जा भीतर जा भीतर जा
जाऊनी से तम संगे जाऊ
जाओनी भीतर को अरे मैं जीवी नहीं आज गोटे ही गाड़ी जी बेटा हाईटेक
अच्छा मिशन गुडा को दले
हां मिशन पळेलानी जा बापा सेटा अरे संगने बतन तो सब पिला पळेले आ चलन जे हम घर को जाय मजे तो बाइक आनतले काहे ना काली तो गाड़ी नहीं घर को पड़ीथिले केंदुर आइला पर तो दिन चल चल बड़ गाड़ी नहीं आसला बाइक आने बाइक घर अच्छी तो चलन जा चल चल घर पड़े आ सब गाड़ी पूरा लाइन के रखा गला भितर हाँ गोटे दुटा पपन गाड़ी चलन जा बर्तन घर को देखिए घर किए कौन कर ना चलन जा बर्तन घर को।